G'day, here's a couple of knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help show the colours. First piece, got a little bit of colour showing on this end here. Goes around there, and there's another window of colour there. That's fairly unknown, that piece. This piece, a bit more obvious. Very dark potch backing. Seam seems to go right round pretty well. Hopefully that'll cut a nice stone for you. Nice and thick, so you've got plenty of material to play with. There's another stone on the top there if you can slice it off a very fine saw blade. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.